Hey you guys, okay, so my name is Bella. For anyone who doesn't know, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by, and if you haven't already, I don't know what you're waiting for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come on back next time for more. Okay, so today we're here to talk about headlights for the millionth time. We already did like 2 or 3 videos on headlights. At first, it was like, oh, me learning how to put in the headlights. Great, gotcha. Headlights didn't work. Well, I thought the headlights were the problem. So I was like, okay, get some more headlights. Put them in again. They start flickering and acting crazy. I'm like, what the heck? Put in some more. They're too dim. It's been a lot of problems with these LED headlights. So I finally found a solution, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I was coming on here telling you guys get these headlights, and I'm like, oh well, I probably should tell them that it's not going to work right if they did it like that. So I'm just here to fill you guys in because I left the okay. You have to add something to it for it to work right. So that's what I'm here to tell you guys about. At first, they were acting fine. They were bright. I was like, good. Then all of a sudden they started, like I remember I was on the highway one time and they went off. It came back on and I was like, what the heck? Like, okay, maybe it's just a one-time thing. Then it kept doing it over time. More and more and more. It would stay off longer. Then it just wouldn't come back on. All right, this is dangerous. I did some research. I went online, YouTube University and Google, you can learn anything. I put in basically Dodge Challenger, headlights, why they don't work, LED, flashing, just seeing if other people were having this problem. And so many people were having the same issue and I'm like, okay, it's not just me, there's something going on. Then I kept researching, kept looking, and I found out about what is called the CanBus Decoder. It's spelled like CanBus Decoder. Basically, it's like the middleman between your headlights and your car. The original halogen headlights that you have, basically they're like formatted in the way to be compatible with your car. I might not be explaining this right, so don't. If you know the right terminology, just put it down below. Don't come for me, okay? I don't know. Something like this. The frequency kind of the light bulb in your car that match for the halogens. So when you switch it out to the LEDs, it doesn't match anymore. So you start having issues where it goes off or it just doesn't work or whatever. So I was like, oh. So went on Amazon, trusty Amazon. This is what I got. They came in this box. They're already in the car. I couldn't wait. They're not in here. This is empty, except for there's like a twist tie in there or a zip tie or whatever. This is the box that it came in. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to try it. So I showed you guys already how to put in the headlights. Super easy. You're basically just clipping the piece of the car to the headlight, clip, push it in the little like the hole, twist, bam. That's it.
Wait a damn minute. What?
Literally, it's that easy. Well, on one side is that easy, then you guys saw on the other side you have to take out the, the air filter thing, but that's still pretty easy. Basically, they give you 2 of them, and all you do is you clip it one side into the headlight, and the other side of it goes into the car. It's right in between the headlight and the car adapter hook thing. Right between where you would normally hook the headlight to the car, this is now in the middle. To the car, one part to the headlight, and that's how it is now. Now it's a 3-part deal, kind of. So then you have to take it and then you zip tie it to a place on the car, and that's it. It's super easy. I'll link down below the video that taught me how to do it, and I'll put my other videos where I put in headlights. It's the same process as putting in a headlight. It's just a little middle piece. It's super easy. Anyone can do it, trust me. If I can do it, you can do it. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I know I did videos and you guys probably ordered the headlights I did and tried it and like, why is it not working for me? No, it didn't work for me either. This is the solution. And then right after I put those in, it worked perfect. And I also told in my last video a trick to make sure your brights come on, because if you put them in a certain way, the brights won't come on. You'll only be able to use the regular headlights. So check out my last video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And you want to do that same process with the CanBus decoder. You want to put it on the same way so that your brights will work, because I had to flip it around, because at first I had them on wrong and I had to flip it. And make sure you either have another person, if possible, with you, so you can turn the brights on and off, and you know someone can tell you like, yeah, it's working, or no, it's not. So when you put your headlights in, it's good to have another person to just let you know, if so someone can be flicking the brights on and on and on, and the other person can tell if can let they can let each other know if they're working or not. It's been a journey with these headlights. It's literally like a year of trying. Yeah, it's been about a year of me trying different things with these headlights, trying to get them to work, and finally I found the solution, the CanBus decoder. And they're pretty cheap. I want to say $20, maybe less than that on Amazon. I forget. They weren't expensive, is all I'm saying. I'll put the link down below. Go order them. They work perfect. My headlights have not cut off in weeks, like a month. No, it's been like a month. Yeah, I wanted to make sure they worked before I even made a video, because I didn't want to come on here again and tell you guys something, you go buy it and then waste your money. Bella do that. So hopefully you don't have to go through that, you feel me? So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to let you guys know. I'll be back with another video soon. I haven't been making videos lately because I'm just a slacker, to be honest. But I'll be back soon. I want to change my air filter, and there's some other little things I want to do and share with you guys. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna film those. I won't just be talking. I'll actually have visuals for this. But like I said, I'll put the link down below of the guy's video who I saw, who was explaining the CanBus decoder, and also the one that showed how to install the CanBus decoder. All right, so if you like this video, y'all already know what to do. Help us sister out and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And come on back next time for more. Well, all right, you guys. Until next time.